Hello 7th grade, how are you today? Today we are going to start with a new unit of our semester. This is Unit 7. The title of our unit is This is What to Do. Let's start with the first lesson about this unit. In our lesson today, students should be able to recognize the meanings of the new words, recognize the introduction of the unit, and what does recipe mean and contain. So let's start with the introduction of this unit. As we said, the title of this unit is This is What to Do. In this unit, we are going to start with the first lesson. There are two recipes, so we are going to talk about them by two people. But before that, let's read the important information in this introduction. If you want to do something, إذا بدك تعمل شي but you don't know how to do it, you have to follow instructions. لازم تتبع التعليمات. And these instructions can be found in a recipe. You are going to read the instructions of a recipe. So, what do we mean about recipe? Yes, a recipe is a set of instructions telling you how to prepare and cook food. Of course, it includes a list of what food is needed for. The recipe is set out clearly. It tells you first what you are going to make. شو أول إشي رح تصنعه أو تعمله. Number 2, what you need to make it. شو بتحتاج عشان تعمل الإشي اللي بدك تسويه. And what to do. In the recipe, we have sentences, and these sentences are short and clear. Also, in the sentences, we use the imperative form of the verbs. What do we mean about imperative? Yes, فعل الأمر. I'll show you some examples of imperative verbs like put, mix, leave, try, cook, repeat. So all these verbs are imperative. We start the sentence by using the verb, then complete the sentence. I'll start the lesson by showing you some important words with the meanings in Arabic for these words. The first section of these words: thyme بمعنى زعتر, parsley بقدونس, pepper فلفل, lettuce خس, minced beef لحم العجل المفروم, as we see in the picture. minced بمعنى مفروم. olive oil زيت زيتون. tomato sauce صوص الطماطم. refrigerator بمعنى البراد. the second section: onion بمعنى بصل. finely chopped onion بمعنى البصل المفروم. This is the difference between these two words. freshly black pepper اللي هو فلفل أسود حب يعني مش مطحون. ground black pepper وهو فلفل الأسود المطحون. garlic or clove ثوم. crushed garlic cloves اللي هو الثوم المهروس. beaten eggs البيض المخفوق. fry this is a verb بمعنى يقلي. The last section of the words and the meanings of them contains brush with oil. brush بمعنى يدهن, and this is a verb. rolls serve is a verb بمعنى يقدم. bowl mix is a verb بمعنى يخلط. mixture بمعنى خليط. So these are the important words that you have to know the meaning of them, and we will read about these words in our first lesson in this unit. So let's start with the first part in this lesson. So my students, your student's book, page 68. Look at these two pages, 68 and 69. We will read recipes. So the type of our text is a recipe. وصف الطعام. What is the title? Brilliantly healthy beef burgers. لحم العجل الصحي المصنوع ببراعة. And this is an adverb. ly. So brilliantly means ببراعة, and this is an adverb. Healthy is an adjective, and this is a noun. So this is the title of our lesson. Try making these healthy burgers from these delicious fresh ingredients. So ingredients means المقادير. These are the ingredients that we have to use in the recipe. Olive oil, onion, garlic, minced beef, parsley, thyme, egg, tomato sauce, salt, and pepper. Look at these two questions. Number 1. What is the special about the ingredients that are shown for the beef burgers? Look at this line. Try making these healthy burgers from these delicious fresh ingredients. So the special about these ingredients that they are fresh. Number 2. How many different ingredients are illustrated at the top of the page as we see here? How many ingredients? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So how many ingredients? Excellent. 10 ingredients. So في عنا 10 مقادير رح نستخدمهم. Okay, my students, in the next class we are going to talk about the recipes that made by Ben and Bella about healthy beef burgers. So Ben and Bella are going to make healthy beef burgers, and we are going to read 2 recipes of beef burgers that made by them, the method of how they are going to make it. So please be ready for the next class.